Amazon Dropshipping for Beginners Step-by-Step Guide. Introduction. Learn the basics of Amazon Dropshipping, how it works, and how to get started. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping lets you sell products without holding inventory. You list items, and when a customer buys, you order from a supplier who ships directly to them. You keep the profit margin. How Amazon Dropshipping works. List products from suppliers on Amazon. When an order is placed, buy from the supplier and have it shipped to the customer. Steps to start. Create an Amazon seller account. Sign up for an individual or professional plan. Find profitable products. Use tools like Jungle Scout to research high-demand, low-competition items. List and promote products. Optimize product listings with clear descriptions, keywords, and competitive pricing. Conclusion. Dropshipping on Amazon is a low-risk way to start an online business. Get started today.